How to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Cash app. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Launch a Dasher Direct in your mobile device. Once you are in here, select on the Dasher icon that is on your left hand corner. From the list of options, you will see Earnings. Tap on it. In your earnings at the top of the screen, you should see a bank layout or the bank icon. You have to tap on it. This is to add a Cash app to transfer your money. From here in the Fast Pay, tap on the Change Card option. Firstly, we need to add the details of the Cash app if it is not added yet. From here, select on to someone else, after which you can enter the details of your Cash app. Once it is successful, enter the amount of money that you want to transfer to your Cash app. And just like that, you would be able to transfer your money from Dasher Direct to your Cash app application. Wasn't it simple? And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.